The mind holds incredible power, and the thoughts we choose to entertain can shape our reality. By harnessing this power, we can attract abundance and wealth into our lives. The journey to financial prosperity starts within, by shifting our mindset and beliefs. In this video, we'll explore how your thoughts can pave the way to creating lasting wealth. Our thoughts have the ability to shape our experiences and outcomes. When we focus on abundance rather than lack, we open ourselves to opportunities and possibilities. This shift in perspective is essential for attracting wealth. Instead of fixating on what we don't have, cultivating a mindset of gratitude for what we do have can create a powerful foundation for growth. Beliefs also play a crucial role in our financial success. Many of us carry limiting beliefs about money, thinking it's hard to earn or that we don't deserve wealth. These beliefs can create subconscious barriers that hold us back. By recognizing and challenging these beliefs, we can replace them with empowering thoughts that align with our goals. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. By picturing our desired outcomes in detail, we train our minds to recognize and seize opportunities that lead to wealth. This practice engages the brain in a way that encourages us to take actionable steps toward our financial goals. When we vividly imagine our success, we create a roadmap for our subconscious to follow. Another important aspect is the practice of affirmations. Repeating positive statements about wealth and abundance can help reprogram our minds. By affirming our worthiness and ability to create wealth, we shift our energy and attract similar frequencies into our lives. This practice can be a simple yet effective way to change our financial narrative. Mindfulness also plays a significant role in cultivating a wealthy mindset. By staying present and aware of our thoughts, we can identify negative patterns and consciously redirect our focus toward positive, wealth-attracting thoughts. Mindfulness allows us to detach from fear and anxiety related to finances, enabling us to approach wealth creation with clarity and confidence. Engaging with people who share similar goals can reinforce our belief in the possibility of achieving financial success. This supportive network acts as a catalyst for growth. Taking consistent action is another vital part of the process. While thoughts are powerful, they need to be paired with tangible actions to manifest results. Small, deliberate steps toward financial goals create momentum and reinforce our belief in our abilities. Each action taken is a signal to the universe that we are ready to receive abundance. As we shift our thoughts, it's important to celebrate even the smallest wins. Acknowledging progress helps to build confidence and reinforces a positive mindset. By recognizing our achievements, we reinforce our belief that we are capable of creating wealth. This practice creates a positive feedback loop that encourages further growth. The journey to wealth is not just about financial gain, it's also about personal growth. As we work on our mindset, we develop resilience and a deeper understanding of ourselves. This transformation equips us to navigate challenges more effectively and stay focused on our goals. The skills we acquire along the way are invaluable, enhancing our overall quality of life. Wealth creation is a process that requires patience and persistence. It's important to trust the journey and stay committed to our mindset shifts. By focusing on our thoughts and beliefs, we can gradually cultivate a reality where wealth flows effortlessly into our lives. Lastly, it's essential to align our actions with our thoughts. When our behaviors reflect our newfound beliefs, we create a harmonious environment for wealth to thrive. This alignment not only boosts our confidence but also attracts like-minded opportunities and individuals. Limiting beliefs can be deeply ingrained, often formed from past experiences or societal conditioning. Identifying these beliefs is the first step toward overcoming them. Take time to reflect on your thoughts about money and wealth. What beliefs no longer serve you? Recognizing these patterns empowers you to let them go and replace them with beliefs that support your financial aspirations. Once you identify these beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself if they are true or if they are simply stories you've been told. By questioning the validity of these beliefs, you can begin to dismantle them. This process opens the door for new, empowering beliefs to take their place. A powerful way to reinforce your new beliefs is to create a vision board. Visual representations of your goals serve as constant reminders of what you're working toward. By seeing your desired outcomes daily, you keep your thoughts aligned with abundance, making it easier to manifest wealth. Recall that overcoming limiting beliefs is a journey. Be patient with yourself as you navigate this process. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and acknowledge that change takes time. With dedication, you can transform your mindset and attract the wealth you desire. Thoughts alone won't create wealth, action is crucial. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving a specific amount, starting a new venture, or investing in personal development, having defined goals gives you direction. Break these goals down into smaller, actionable steps to make them more manageable. Creating a financial plan is an excellent way to outline the steps you need to take. This plan should detail your income, expenses, savings, and investment strategies. By having a clear roadmap, you can track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Regularly reviewing your plan keeps you accountable and focused on your financial goals. Networking is another effective way to take action. Building relationships with individuals who share similar financial aspirations can open doors to new opportunities. Consider investing in yourself. Whether it's through education, workshops, or personal development programs, investing in your skills and knowledge pays dividends in the long run. The more you learn, the more equipped you become to create wealth. Don't forget to take consistent action, no matter how small. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay committed to your plan, and celebrate each milestone you achieve along the way. Action creates momentum, which is vital for attracting wealth into your life. Adopting a wealthy mindset involves viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, reframe them as valuable lessons that propel you forward. This shift in perspective allows you to approach obstacles with resilience and creativity, enabling you to find solutions that enhance your financial journey. Gratitude is a cornerstone of a wealthy mindset. By appreciating what you have, you attract more abundance into your life. Start a gratitude journal to regularly reflect on the positive aspects of your life. This practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's present, reinforcing a mindset of abundance. Cultivating a wealthy mindset also means being open to receiving. Many people struggle with accepting abundance due to feelings of unworthiness. By recognizing that you deserve wealth and success, you invite more opportunities into your life. This openness creates a welcoming environment for abundance to flow. Visualization is a powerful technique for manifesting wealth. By creating vivid mental images of your financial goals, you send a clear message to your subconscious. Picture yourself living in abundance, imagine the feelings of joy, security, and success. This practice not only motivates you but also reinforces your belief in your ability to create wealth. To enhance your visualization practice, set aside a few minutes each day to engage in this activity. Find a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and visualize your goals in detail. The more specific you are, the more impactful this practice will be. Combining visualization with affirmations amplifies its effectiveness. As you visualize, repeat positive statements about your financial success. This combination of imagery and affirmations creates a powerful manifestation tool, aligning your thoughts and actions toward attracting wealth. Resilience is essential in the journey to wealth. There will inevitably be challenges along the way, but how you respond to them can make all the difference. Accept setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. This perspective allows you to remain focused on your goals and encourages you to adapt when faced with obstacles. Building resilience also means developing a strong support system. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you. These relationships provide encouragement during tough times and help you stay motivated. Sharing your goals with others creates a sense of accountability, pushing you to stay committed. Practicing self-care is another vital component of resilience. Taking time for yourself to recharge physically and mentally ensures that you have the energy and clarity needed to pursue your goals. Incorporate activities that nourish your mind and body, enabling you to stay balanced in the face of challenges. Wealth creation is a journey that requires patience. While it's easy to want instant results, true abundance takes time. Trust the process and stay committed to your thoughts and actions. Each step you take is a building block toward your financial success. Practicing patience also involves managing your expectations. Recognize that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Instead of becoming discouraged, use these moments to reflect and realign your efforts. This mindset fosters resilience and keeps you focused on the bigger picture. Consistency is key. By consistently nurturing your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, you pave the way for lasting change. Wealth is not just about immediate gains, it's about creating a sustainable mindset that attracts abundance over time. Celebrating your progress, no matter how small, reinforces your belief in your ability to create wealth. Acknowledge your achievements and milestones along the way. This practice builds confidence and keeps you motivated to continue on your journey. Consider keeping a success journal where you document your wins and lessons learned. Regularly reflecting on your progress helps you recognize how far you've come. This perspective fuels your motivation and encourages you to remain committed to your financial goals. Creating a culture of celebration in your life also involves sharing your successes with others. Harnessing the power of your thoughts is a revolutionary process that can lead to wealth and abundance. By cultivating a mindset of positivity, challenging limiting beliefs, and taking consistent action, you create the conditions for financial success. Keep in mind that this journey takes time and dedication. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more insights on creating a prosperous life.